Hello guys, I am Samarpan Dasgupta and I am presenting my new project. That actually not a new project, that is I done about in the time of September, but I forget about to release it on YouTube. So I am going to now presenting you my new project, Generation Music Player. It is simply a music player and it is totally made in Python with using some other libraries of Python. So without wasting any time, let's start the project. Okay guys, so you can see here that this is my UI design of the of my music player, and it is very much cool, I think. So here we can do add song, play song, stop song, next, shuffle, repeat, mute, and many more. Okay, so let's start it. At first we add some song from our computer directory. So I want to add some song here, and you can see that songs are adding one by one. As the song is very much high in here, so here the scroll bar is activated and you can scroll to see the all songs. Okay, so let's play a song. So now playing the song, we can do it by three options. At first we can click on the song and then click on enter, or double click on the song, or click on that button. Okay, here I also provide keyboard event and mouse event both. So in my GitHub readme file of that particular repo of that music player, I also provide some keyboard event so that it can be bring the flexibility during your work. So you must see that. Okay, so let's play the song. I just select that song and play it. Just listen it. So now I pause the song. You can simply see that sorry, you can simply see that I pause the song by clicking that button, and if I press this button again, the song will play after pause. Okay, so I'm going to click this button. We can stop the song by clicking that button. Okay, now the song is totally stopped, and if we start click on that button, play button, then the song will start from the initial position. Okay, from the beginning, I think. So it's clear to you how the song works. Okay, now if we okay, let's play the song again. So if we play the next song, we should click here, but I am playing this song so that it must follow the continuity. Okay. So you can see that here I clicking this button, we go to the next song. Even we go to the previous song by that. Okay. Here's some problem associated with that button. We have to click 2 times, but that is not a problem at all. You can pause the song by clicking your space bar. Okay, you can pause or play the song by clicking by not clicking by your space bar. So it will work fine. Here the sum box sometimes raises, so that we must click it the 2 times, but it is not a very much big problem. You can play or pause with your space bar. Okay. So just see the other features, as like we can count how many songs present in that album. Okay, so here we click song counter. Here you can see that song counter, total song in the list is 13. So we have 13 songs in that list. Okay, so if we delete a particular song from that list, so we can click on that song and click on delete selected song. Okay, the song is deleted. Okay, just see again. I select that song and want to delete. Please see again. You can see that the song is deleted totally. Okay, so if you can start that song. and if you want to play this song repeat and repeat mode once after once, so you can activate on repeat on, so that it will play in a loop. Okay, and if you want to see that if after reaching at the last song and the last song will over, then it will come to the first song, then you have to activate shuffle. Okay, you can activate shuffle, to that all songs will be continuous in a loop. Okay, so let's see about the mute. Here I am going to mute this song. You can see that the time is running but the sound is not hearing, so the song is muted. So I am going to unmute this song. Okay, here I stop the song. Okay, so here are the some repeat, shuffle, mute, play, pause, next song, previous song, add song, song counter, delete song. Here are the some features, and this is the basic project of Python. Here that's I made at the time of September of 2020, I think, and sorry for the late release. So you can try shuffle and repeat by yourself at your home. If any problem occurs, you can discuss that problem or raise an issue in GitHub particular repo, or you can discuss with me with at GitHub. Okay, so I also activate the discussion section of that particular repo. Okay, so here's all about my music player. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel to get regular project updates. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.